takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, hello everyone. As of today, October the 24th, 2024, the Battleship Texas remains at Gulf Copper, continuing her ongoing restorations. However, there is finally some no news on the ship's forever home. The Galveston Wharves Board has terminated negotiations for the Texas to be berthed at Pier 19 in Galveston. Per a Houston Chronicle article, Katie Seafood argued the location would block their restaurant views and create a hazard in the event of a hurricane. Also, port officials voiced concerns about the foundation's financial situation and if they would be able to afford the move and maintenance of the battleship. Therefore, at this time, Battleship Texas is still without a forever home. For the rest of the duration of this video, I will thoroughly cover all angles and views of the battleship, including some from the waterline. I hope you enjoy.